Hey guys, I got another request for a video. This was regarding a machine coming down without a full set of pins. As most of you know, the machine is set up to stop and disengage the clutch at 180 degrees if it doesn't have a full deck signal. This was more in regards to what if the deck comes down and doesn't have all 10 pins in it. There's a couple of things that can actually cause this. Usually it's usually a jam, a deck jam, in the makings anyway. You know, sometimes you'll see 2 pins in there like that in the chute, especially the 5 chute for some reason. Anytime there's 2 pins in there, this other pin's gonna get blocked and it won't fall through. It could also be it could be a turret issue. If it happens to double index and skip past the pin, and the pin doesn't make its way down there into the deck, like in this area right here, you can see there's a big space. If it double indexes here, the pin will fall clear through the deck. Sometimes it'll jam, sometimes it won't. It'll just fall down in between the chutes. That's usually some of the main cause. You don't see it very often, but it does happen. There's a couple of things that can cause that, but for the most part, you really don't see that. Another thing that I had here is sometimes the pins would actually miss the chutes, and that was just simple turret wire adjustments right here. The outer wires, just bend them in a little bit, keep them nice and tight to the pin. You don't want the pin to bind, but you want them nice and close so that it doesn't have anywhere to go really, but straight down. I used to get that sometimes. It would end up missing the chute and laying down in between the chutes on the moving deck itself. Lane 3 was the worst one with that. It was just, all it was the turret wires. I straightened them out and it was good to go. But that pin obviously not falling into the chute and hitting the deck, there's going to be no pin there. But usually it's usually it's a deck jam in the works for the most part. Maybe sometimes you see a pin laying across one of the decks, like sideways or something like that. So that's just some of the common causes of it. You don't really see it too often with Brunswicks. AMF machines are a little more prone to that with the distributor, and any kind of distributor problem or shuttle problem can cause that. But with these, for the most part, they're pretty good. It does happen every once in a while, but not too bad. I hope that answers questions. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later.